Good afternoon, guys. Bitcoin MENA, Abu Dhabi. We are here with our friends from Etoro with Mr.
Josh Gilbert.
Tushkuba. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you too, sir.
I want to ask you, please, a few things about Etoro for those who don't know yet the project or live under the rocks, maybe. Please.
Sure. So we at Etoro have been here since 2007. So our mission is to sort of open up financial markets, help democratize the financial markets for everyone, basically. We believe that financial inclusion is really important. So whether that's stocks, whether that's crypto, commodities, whatever it may be, you can find that all on Etoro. So we've been on that journey for a long, long time. And we believe it's really important that everyone should be investing.
Indeed. In the same time, exchanges in crypto is a very crowded market. How do you differentiate yourself, and how is the company positioning in the next 3-4 years?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, like you say, crypto has obviously been an industry that has taken off over the years. We've been there since sort of 2013, 2014 was when we sort of first added Bitcoin to the platform. So we're an early adopter, very early on in the space. We differentiate ourselves between sort of having everything in one platform, an all-in-one app. As I said earlier, not just crypto, stocks, commodities, ETFs. We believe that an investment portfolio should be diversified, but we're also a social network as well. So you also have the beauty of being able to invest with the knowledge of millions of other investors. We have 36 million users from around the world, which all engage on the platform. So not only are you just investing by yourself, you're investing with 36 million other people that can help you along that investing journey as well. And we believe that knowledge is power.
Yes, indeed. And we all know the community is the real asset behind this, right? And I want to ask you, what's your next point with them? Like, what's your next business move around the community growth?
Yeah, like, as you say, community is very important in crypto. We have, when we see assets, we believe that, the communities around those assets are very powerful, right? People get very passionate about particular projects. And we're going to continue to sort of work with those communities over the years gone by, whether that is through traditional social networks or through our own social network as well. So the beauty of Etoro is that you can follow other people, you can copy other traders, you can sort of, as I say, interact with those people. So I think being able to bring social and investing into sort of one place, we believe that's going to be very, very powerful in the future. So that's something that we want to sort of continue to keep driving into the future and making sure that, that knowledge is being spread to everyone else. And I think retail investors are more important to financial markets than ever before. For a long, long time, the institutions were driving markets. We believe now that retail investors have a very, very big role to play. So again, if we can enable the power for those retail investors as the future goes on, then we believe that's going to be very important, and we're going to be there to help drive that.
You mentioned the word diversity, right? In not only crypto, but only in the stock traditional market. How do you compare these two audiences? Like, what you'll see the big difference between them? Like investors in stock and investors in crypto.
Well, I think crypto investors certainly have a larger risk profile, that's for sure. Again, I think it depends on that risk profile, right? If you're investing into crypto, you have to understand that volatility is sort of par for the course. It's expected when you're sort of getting into the asset. Whereas stocks are, traditionally, we sort of maybe understand the movements a little bit more, right? We can use things like fundamental analysis, monetary policy. There's a lot more that we can use to sort of try and sort of predict where assets may go. Of course, none of us have a crystal ball, it is a prediction. But I think combining the two is really important. I think Bitcoin's performance over the last few years has sort of solidified that it has a place within a diversified investment portfolio. And combining the two, I think, is really, really important. If you love crypto, you can buy crypto stocks on Etoro, right? You can buy miners, you can buy MicroStrategy, whatever it might be. So I think that you don't have to just own crypto, you can own the ecosystem that comes with crypto. And I think that's really important, as I say, having that diversified investment portfolio. If you do own crypto, maybe don't just own everything crypto, but we do know that crypto guys love crypto, so yeah.
Yes. One more question. You are literally everywhere in terms of online presence. How much do you spend on marketing?
Look, unfortunately, I'd love to be able to answer that for you. I have absolutely no idea. But
I mean, you guys, you are everywhere.
yeah. Well, look, that's the idea. We want you to see us everywhere. We want you to understand that we are the best investment app out there. So make sure you use it. Make sure you follow us on social. And if you need anything, reach out to us.
Yes, and of course, we want to congratulate you for everything what you're doing. Real builders in our industry. I want to see you building great things forward, and thank you very much.
Right, thank you. We hope so.
Thank you, guys.